Tarkon was established in 2000 based on Polish-Belgian capital at the time when special economic zones were being created in Poland. We specialize in the production, assembly, and general contracting of steel structures for both domestic and international clients.
Our company, we were looking for a user-friendly, lightweight system for editing DWG files. We found the GstarCAD software. We are satisfied.
We are located in one of our 6 production halls. Tarkon has a production area of 9,000 square meters, where we manufacture bridges, industrial installations, and sports structures. All of this is produced using steel.
These are the most interesting structures we have completed throughout our history. We can include the load-bearing structure of the Q22 skyscraper in Warsaw. There was a very interesting construction of laminated columns welded from plates over 100 millimeters thick. Another interesting project is one that was designed, built, and used by us for welding structures underwater.
Currently, our company holds 11 GstarCAD professional licenses.
The biggest advantages of GstarCAD are its scalability, intuitiveness, and above all, the keyboard shortcuts. What convinced me was the very intuitive interface, and most importantly, the fact that it works seamlessly with other programs. That's why I can recommend it as a universal tool for designing in both 2D and 3D. GstarCAD, thanks to its ease of use, it works well for both beginners and experienced designers, regardless of the industry.
GstarCAD software for 2D and 3D design stands out from the competition with its perpetual license and low price.
Please take a look at how this project is coming to life.
Quickly, efficiently, precisely.